Hello again, and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Miawe Zulu, Ndudu by Fafa, Nya, Koba Ndudu and Yukwelu, Fafa, come on, Ndudu, Nablo Fafa, Alaba flavors are Ulama Bala, Ndudu Vivi, So we meet again for another experience. And I'm not going to sing. Welcome, amazing people. Thank you for tuning in. And if this is your first time, thank you for doing so and welcome. Now, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet and the notification button so each time I upload a video, you're notified of it and you do not miss a thing. I do not want to miss you. I want to get you hooked onto this because it's all about good food, good tasting dishes. Now, you know those amazing chili sauces that I made? I'm putting them to good use with this incredible recipe that's a must try. Is your mouth watering yet? Let's start this. So here I've got my pork ribs that I've got my butcher to cut them into sizable chunks. Alternatively, if you do have your own butcher knife, you can chop this into your preferred pieces, but do take all necessary precautions when dealing with anything sharp. So I want to get rid of the excess blood in this meat. So I've added a tablespoonful of corn starch, and I'm just going to mix everything together till it's well combined, as I always say. Exactly. You might go like, what is that? Yeah, this is not any other food. The next thing is I'm going to add some water because I'm going to wash the cornstarch off my meat. And you can tell that the water has turned into that pinkish color. So I now know I have got rid of the blood that I wanted to. So discard the water, and I'm using my kitchen paper towel here to absorb any extra moisture out of my pork ribs. This will ensure that when I fry this, it's nice and crispy. Next thing is I'm adding another tablespoonful of my corn starch because now I know that it's ready and I'm going to mix everything together till it's well combined. Next thing, I'm going to add my salt to taste. And I'm doing well by filming me salting my dishes, as I always mention now these days proudly. And now my favorite spice mix, which is the Chinese 5-spice mix. Such a mouthful, but equally flavor packed. And I've added a tablespoonful and I'm mixing everything together till it's well combined. Best to actually marinate this in the fridge overnight, but a minimum of an hour would equally work. When you're ready, take it out of the fridge and bring it up to room temperature. Now we're ready to do some frying. So in a wok, add your preferred oil and allow it to heat up for about 5 minutes on that medium to high heat. Now, once it's hot, you can do your testing, which is what I used the skewer for, because immediately you can see that there are loads of bubbles coming off your skewer. You know your oil is perfect for you to start frying. And guess what? I'm just adding my pork ribs and I'm just going to be frying this perfectly. Now, the frying process did take about 12 minutes in doing so. Just like that, after 12 minutes of tossing and turning and frying these bad girls, they're ready. Look how beautiful and brown they are. They're crunchy, they're gorgeous, they're flavor packed. So it's crunchy on the outside and you bite into it in the middle. It's just incredible. And the flavor alone, you know, those 5 Chinese spice mix thing. It's got this whole sort of like nutmeg sort of base in there. So it's so aromatic and absolutely gorgeous. Now you can get your kinky, your fried yam, your rice, anything, and enjoy with this. But of course, as I mentioned, I am going to be tossing this in my amazing chili sauce mix, which is a must try. So if you've not got that, I think I'd leave a link in the description box so you can follow that recipe. Is a must try. And it's a cost-effective way as well, because seriously, it would last you for a while. So when I made my amazing chili sauce recipe, I made another one which was infused with caraway seeds, and that's the one that I've used for this recipe, because the caraway seeds has this aniseedy flavor which is just incredible, and that would just work perfectly with the Chinese 5 spice. So this is highly aromatic and it's spicy and it's got a little sweetness in there. It's just incredible. So I'm just dry frying it, and I've mixed everything together till it's well combined, as you do. And then I was like, no, I need some color, I need some greens in there. Guess what I did? I added some fresh bunch of basil leaves. If you're in Ghana, definitely you'd have the local Ghanaian basil. Yes, akokomesa, koklugbe. Yes, absolutely. And just sprinkle it over it. Or if you've got lemongrass, you can use that. Alternatively, if you have parsley or coriander would be the best. Or spring onions, just keep it simple, spring onions. And just add it and mix everything together. And here you have enumude. Eya ogbona body a lama numadachi fom na la adenya enele kona no komi bo ho konami. But then show you be la not any other food in Dubai Fafa na den kaglom na la. I hope I have given you that reason to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and the notification button, which means that each time I upload a video, you're notified of it and you do not miss a thing. Naturally, I'd leave all the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudubyfafa for updates. Definitely, you need to link up. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And until next time, kings and queens and beautiful people, me love you for you. I can't wait to share the next experience with you. 2020, it's called Experience with Fafa. Okay, Mini. Thank you all for your support. Me love you for you.